Hello children, good morning. I am Monisha from Bharadasa Matriculation School, Arakonam. Today we are going to see an interesting topic, that is our soil. Okay, so if you want to grow a plant, that is very essential. Yes, soil is very essential for us. Can I give the clue? You guess it. It is the uppermost layer of the earth. That is very good, our soil. So today we are going to discuss about our soil continuation, that is a part 2. Okay, so in previous session we discussed about the soil formation and types of soil. Okay, so now we are going to discuss about the remaining topics. So totally we have 6 types of soil. We have a 6 major types of soil that is found in our country India. That is alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, mountain soil, desert soil and laterite soil. In previous session we have discussed about alluvial soil and black soil. Now we are going to discuss about the remaining types of soil, that is red soil, mountain soil, desert soil and laterite soil. So first we are going to discuss about red soil. Red soil. So the red soil is especially found in the regions of Madhya Pradesh, found in the regions like Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh and Gujarat, etc. Okay, so this type of soil is found in the states like Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh, and this type of soil is very fertile. The red soil is said to be very fertile. While moving interior, and this type of soil is said to be very dark in color, and this is said to be very dark in color. Do you know children how the red soil is formed? I will explain. That is formation of red soil. The red soil is formed due to the weathering of the red soil is formed due to the weathering of crystalline rock and metamorphic rocks. So that is, the red soil is formed due to the weathering of crystalline rocks and metamorphic rocks. So what is the weathering here? Weathering is nothing children, it is a breaking down of a rocks by the action of wind and rain. So what is the weathering? Yes, that is breaking down of rocks into small pieces by the action of wind and rain. That is, the red soil is formed by the weathering of crystalline rocks and metamorphic rocks. So now we are hearing a word metamorphic rocks, right? So metamorphic rocks is formed due to the metamorphic rocks undergoes some changes due to the heat and pressure. So that we called it as a metamorphic rocks. Now I hope you understand how the red soil is formed. Next, do you know children why the soil is red in color? Do you know? Yes, because due to the presence of iron content, it is said to be red in color. Due to the presence of iron, the red soil is looks very red in color. Do you know children which types of crops and are grown here? The crops like pulses, groundnuts, jowar and bajra are grown very well in the red soil. Okay. So Ritesh, can you tell me why the red soil is red in color? Very good, because due to the presence of iron. The next type of soil here we are going to see mountain soil. Mountain soil is said to be very coarse. The mountain soil is said to be very coarse, that is sand, and we see little bit rocks here. So, mountain soil is found in the region of Himalayan side. The mountain soil is mainly found in the region of Himalayas, and this type of soil is said to be very coarse and very fine, and we will see a little bit amount of sand here. And this type of soil is suitable for grow plants, and it is also very suitable to grow orchids. Some of the fruits like oranges, apples. So, mountain soil is suitable to grow orchids and plants like apples and oranges. And the next type of soil here we are going to discuss is desert soil, and desert soil is said to be very fine. Okay, you all know the desert soil is said to be very fine and it looks very smooth. Okay, the desert soil consists of a very fine and smooth sand. And desert soil is especially found in the region of Rajasthan. Desert soil is found in the region of Rajasthan, and this type of soil is suitable for the growth of wheat and dates. And the remaining, the last topic, the last type of soil in India, that is a laterite soil. The laterite soil is said to be very less fertile, and this type of soil is found in the region of, which region receives heavy amount of rainfall. This type of soil is formed due to the this type of soil is found in the region which receives a heavy amount of rainfall, and also we say it as a high temperature, and this soil consists of a very less fertile. The soil is consists of very less fertile. If we want to do an agriculture here, or else if you want to cultivate a land, we need to have a more manure, we need to had a more amount of manure, and this soil is said to be very less in humus. So, you all know humus, right? So, that is a manure which is formed due to the decomposition of leaves and twigs, that we call it as an humus. So, what is a humus? That is a manure which is formed due to the decomposition of leaves, twigs, etc. And here if you want to if you want to cultivate, we need to add a more manure, and this consists of a very less amount of humus. And this type of crop land is suitable for the crops like coffee and cashew nut, tea. This type of crops are grown very well in the laterite soil. So, I hope children you all learned the 6 types of soil which is present in our country, India. For further information, we have attached the study material, question bank and self-assessment. Do the self-assessment and check it out how much you have understood the concept. Thank you children, bye bye.